was a nice nurse. But also when I'm working, health education, part of a nurse's duty, especially in primary health, how you need to educate. Education is part of primary health care because it's a preventive measure. Nurse is an educator. If you're not educating, then you are not nursing effectively. But I think kindness is an individual thing. Mina, I left because I became too exhausted because of my kindness. You know, if I'm working with a lady and we are doing the same thing and a lady is super rude and I'm the kind one, then my line is always long. La kamole go sa tlhole go na le people going in. People don't want to go that side because of the behavior. We're trying to move away from manese ale a go tweng a na le dipelo tse dimpe and stuff. But I've learned it's an individual thing. Ha o na le pelo empe, na le pelo empe, man. I don't think it matters gore ko kae.
When you arrive there, what do you wish or what do you hope you say about yourself when it's all said and done? And what do you wish your family say about you? And what do you wish the community say about you as well?
Hi guys, I was a nice nurse. Like the kindness, you know, like because that kindness that is shocking, gore ka nnete, vibes. Just really want to be a nice person because I always tell people a hospital or a healthcare facility is an uncomfortable environment. I want to be that person who makes you comfortable in an uncomfortable environment. So yeah, just being a nice person.